Hi, Rob Clapper here. I'm going to demonstrate how to replace the retaining disc on a latch for float and loft that require the new disc that has the set screw. I created this to help hold the front knob in place because it's very difficult when you're changing these out. You need 3 hands to do this. So what I came up with is this system of holding the piece of wood here using these clamps to hold it in place so you don't have to worry about having to hold on to this while you're changing out the disc. You want to start by using a 3mm Allen wrench, go up through the bottom center hole and loosen the handle just enough to be able to pull the handle out. Once it's able to pull the handle out, then you stop rotating the set screw. Now you've got the disc exposed. Now this one happens to have the Allen wrench, the set screw in there. The ones that you'll be replacing do not have the set screw. So I'll just show you how that works. You take the entire assembly out. There'll be a set of instructions that show where the placement of the set screw goes. It depends on the style of handle, and it also depends on if the hinge is on the left-hand side or the right-hand side is when you're in the stall. You'll see that all in the instruction book. So in this case, the set screw does go on the lower side, right-hand side. And that is to be placed in there with a 2.5mm, and you want to make sure that it's flush with the back side. And you just put that in place, and that helps to restrict the rotation of the handle. And that keeps the handle from over-rotating. So once you have it in place, you put the gasket in on the back, and you line it back up with your front knob, and you tighten it up. You don't want to over-tighten this because you don't want to do it to the point where you're squeezing the door together. You want it fairly tight, but not so much that it squeezes the mortise lock. So once the handle's in, you can actually hear the difference because you can hear it hitting metal on metal. Once that's in there, you want to push against the knob with your hand and then retighten the set screw from the bottom. And again, you want to do it fairly significantly because you want the handle to not come off. Am I doing this the right way? Yeah. So nice and tight. And then it's just a matter of removing the clamps. You're good to go. That's the disc replacement.